Alrighty. Give me a moment. Oh my god, my hair. My hair. What the fuck? Yeah, okay, maybe I just need a haircut. Anyway. I think I'm balding. That's not good. One moment. Alright, I got wrecked in the last I got wrecked in the last Leetcode contest, so let's practice some Leetcode. AKA, what the hell is this? 160. Is that the actual question? 164? I have to be a subscriber. This is bullshit, dog. They won't let me even. Oh, they hoeing. They hoeing for. I ain't gonna start with the question 3. Okay, it looks like all of these you have to. Oops, that's not what I meant. If they give it a heart. Actually, I kind of want 1. Okay. Alright. Well, we're off to a good start. We finished Leetcode Contest 1. At least all the free values. Okay, let's tell me this isn't. Bro, what? Why is everything a paywall, bro? Oh, god damn it. I'm already expecting it. Alright. Wait. Which ones isn't paywalled? Can I? Okay, it looks like the first like 20. Let's get to 10. I'm kind of assuming all of these are paywalled. Alright, let's go 20. Okay, so this one's show. Okay, 15. Cause boy, what is going on here? Okay, so that's good. 11? Is this just? Did I just pick bad ones? I guess they just made all that. Design a leaderboard. That looks good. Ah, man, that looks like a fun question. Yeah, it looks like all these. First 5 minutes is just me figuring out which ones I can do for free. Cause I'm not paying for Leetcode. Looks like 15 is the magic number. Yeah. It's interesting. Interesting why they did that. But what do I know? Huh? What do I know? Okay, so we're gonna start with 1287 then. Alright, let's do a T-Mux and then let's do it. Cool. And then we'll do. Well, let's look at the daily. If it's a, maybe I do it. Oh, maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. Looks like a tough question. 1280 something. 1287. Alright. We'll give me easy. Look for more recent questions? Ah, dude. Binary search. Well, I want to try to do it in order if I can, just so it helps me keep track of which ones I've done. Yeah. So we're gonna try the, what's his name? Ah, I forgot his name already. Bevy? No. Bolt? No. The guy who's done all the questions. I'm gonna try his method of doing all the questions. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm struggling on mediums, man. Which has always been the case. But yeah. Oh, Betsy, that's what it is. Thank you. Or Betsimp. I actually don't know what he goes by. Betsy MP, Betsimp. Yeah. Given an integer array sorted in non-decreasing order, there's exactly one integer in the array that occurs more than. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what the optimal solution is for this one, but I can definitely give you an O of N solution. Nope. Oh yeah. Ah shit. I'm already forgetting how to program or how to end them. Best simp. Is it best simp? Where's the S before the T? But anyway, how have you been, Solaris? Long time no see, brother. I guess you really like Leetcode streams, man. Anyway, so let's see. And then we can do a. And yeah. Freaks. Yeah. I don't know how to navigate that well. Constant num in array. We simply do freaks num plus. Then we check if num is shit. I should have a we'll do a float I'll just call it percent. Is equal to. We'll just do float. 0.25 times float. I'm not sure how this would work with comparing a integer to a float, but we'll see how that goes. I don't mind doing a static cast of that. Chill with me. Then return no. Right. And we should never get to here, but if we ever do, then it's return -1. Oh. And then we'll do a test. Nice. So I guess it, I wonder which one it casted, implicitly cast. It's actually better just to cast it yourself. So you're intentional. Nice. So the runtime is 12.36%. So I wonder what the fast way to tell would be. Because I don't see anything faster than O then. Could be wrong. I always see the slowest answer. See. Oh, interesting. That's cool. Oh, this is actually. Oh, I see. So you do it in chunks. That's weird. Let's think about that. Actually, yeah, no, I actually want to see the solution. This is interesting. Right. If the number 2 steps ahead. I have no idea what this means. Luckily, I would have still solved it, just really inefficiently. So, okay, I get the point. It has to be... So if there's only 1, you do 1. If there's 2, you split into 2. 3, you split into 3. 4, you split into 4. 5, you do like 2 and 3? Can't be 2, 2, 1. Interesting. Ah. This will give you a quarter faster. Ah, okay. So it's still, at the end of the day, O then. Well, I guess like 3/4 pen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can implement some of it. Oh wait, no, that's that's the inefficient algorithm. Okay, gotcha. My bad. This is true. I should have thought of binary search. It's weird how you can still learn from like easy questions, quote unquote. So okay, I got the other solution. We can let's iterate through that, right? So let's not have any of that. Let's have this as ints. And then I think seal of this show. Yeah, I think ceiling is fine. Yeah. Oh, I lied. It's supposed to be floor actually. Oop, that's not what we need right now. So we can delete that, delete everything basically. And then, oops, undo. Let's oh yeah, we should probably do a counter of how many questions I've done. One solved. Yep. One has been solved. Nice. We want to do if I see where I messed up actually. Interesting. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I plus plus, and then if array I is equal to array I plus quarter, return and this should be n minus quarter. Yeah. I think this should work, unless I have a syntactical error somewhere. Okay, so this is slightly faster. So what's the binary search method? So he was suggesting that we split things into 4, which I still don't know how to do with non. That should not. Why did this beat people? That makes no sense. Okay. So we have this big quarters 2. Okay. I guess. If the number is 0, it right. You can just skip to the next quarter, I assume, right? Like when you iterate through, so you can do like an I plus quarter or something, probably. Oh wait, no, I lied. This is binary search, of course. Okay. see. Number of candidates. This full quarter. That's fine. So okay, so he has less. Right. Okay. Oh, that looks ugly as hell. Okay, yeah, this is binary search, of course. Why? I got a better binary search? No, I get it. Okay. Oh, interesting. These make sense to me to have them there. I see. And these automatically are floors. Right. Yeah, same, brother. I don't know what the hell he was doing. Anyway, let's move forward. Alright, okay, so let's do 1288 now. Right down. Okay, so give an array intervals where intervals. Right. Okay. So now including the right index. The interview if and only if C is less than wait, what? Hold on. C has to be less than or equal to A? Okay, and B is less than or equal to D. That's interesting. Okay, so give me okay. So my first approach is to sort all of it by the first index. That's my first instinct for an n log n solution. Not really sure how to sort vectors of vectors. I would have to do my own comparator operation, I think. The only reason why I say sort it out is we care if and then we probably index backwards. We index forward. interval AB is covered by interval CD if and only if. Yeah, we go backwards. Oh, but even then. Even then, you're not guaranteed. Right, you're still not guaranteed. Okay, so let's write this out. So let's do the, nice. Cause this input, right? This input, if like sorted, would equal to, yeah, so 1 4 2 2 8 and then 3 6, right? If I can type correctly. If you're doing it by first values, this previous value, let's say it's like a 2 5, right? But it's like greater, so it wouldn't actually remove anything before, but like this value right here would remove everything prior to it. Remove everything, or I guess after it. Right. I think sorting it makes sense. Oh, that's cool. Technically speaking, I guess we could have an n squared solution. Because I think it would be fast enough to work. The issue is I don't want an n squared solution. I want the optimal one. I assume we can do an n log n and then do something with it, but it's kind of difficult. Because it's not guaranteed this is the case. Where this one basically just engulfs it. This is a bigger Pac-Man. That's a better way of looking at it, actually, instead of whatever the fuck that is. I remember a question like this in Leetcode IO and the roadmap. I think it's like through a paywall. Maybe not. I lied. Yeah, it reminds me of this where you merge them. The issue, I don't remember what. Okay, I didn't do it. That's fine. That's it. I thought I did it. Oh, what's up, dude? Yeah. I was talking about how I'm trying to get the bet simp method going on with just doing every single question to get better. That was it. Not doing too well. Not doing too well. Interval questions, I guess I haven't had a lot of practice with interview questions, and that's what I'm struggling with right now. We're trying to figure out a good solution. I feel like I could brute force this with an n squared solution. The issue is that seems very ugly to me, and I don't like that. Yeah. So I was thinking of like sorting it, but I don't know if that helps. A lot of unknowns. A lot of unknowns. But that was the general gist of the conversation. Have you been, mate? Let's see, what was this one? This is merging them, right? Yeah. Right. And I feel like you're basically, it's not the same, they just overlap, but you kind of need to figure out, I'm pretty sure I sorted this one out. This is in Python. I did this in 2022. I had, no way, bro. 2022 me was different. Yeah, I sorted it. But this one we only checked for the ends. I'm surprised I did this question. I need to redo it. I had to do this question because I think it's through a paywall. Yeah. And I did it on this, on his website. On Leetcode's website, yeah. That's the one I've done. The easy one. Alright. And this is like a similar concept. Okay. I haven't really gotten anywhere, so I'm gonna probably look at the solution pretty soon. I feel like in interval questions, it's typically you have to sort it first. It's typically the. Oh wait, before I do that, let me. Oops, that's not what I want. Let's look at Oh, this is in companies. Interesting. Yeah, so I sort it first, right? And then, like, it's... Wait, no, is that really the main solution? We're brute forcing that thing? Oh, that's disgusting. Alright. Alright. My bad. Let's do it. Let's do it. You twisted my arm, brother. Okay, let's do ints. N is equal to intervals dot size 4. Yeah, int I is equal to 0. I is less than n. I plus. And then we do also another one for j is equal to 0. J is less than n. Oh, and it's not j is equal to 0. Should we sort it first? Oh yeah, we should sort it first, huh? Either way, we should sort it. If we're gonna do an n squared solution, we should. Oh, but how do we? Yeah, so how to sort a vector of 2 elements C++, right? Because I can do pairs. Pairs automatically do it, right? But vectors is a different story. I think. Don't quote me on that. Wait, no, this is a vector of a no, how do I do a 2D vector? Oh no. I don't even look at the question. Stack Overflow. Alright, ChatGPT, help me out, brother. How to teach me the ways, King? Because I'm pretty sure you have to do. Bro, what? I'm pretty sure you have to do like an operator, like the greater than. How to sort a vector of a vector. Yeah. Right. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. I see. Okay. Right. So you have the comparator A, the comparator B, and then you return. This is literally the comparator in lambda form. Okay. I think I got the general gist. Okay, let's I don't know if sorting would help at all, but I think this is good practice still. What the hell? What the helly? Okay, let's do a lambda, and the function is vector int. Right. I think they're referred to. Can I do consts in here? Be a little fancy. Const vector int v. Right. Oops. And then oops. Then we simply do this. I guess we should do both, huh? Do both integers. So if a0 does not equal to return a0 b0. I think that should, the left side would be the less value. fuck is this one? That's that one. Alright, okay. And then we, if it's not, then we return A1. A1 less than B1. Alright. I'm supposed to do that, but it's whatever. Alright, so what is why is this whatever. I'm gonna keep it like that. Okay, so if that's the case now, then shit, wait. Then we just go in reverse order, I believe. Okay, this might bite me in the ass. Is sorting it help? What do I want here? Because what if there's another 2 here? I would like, so I would like 2 6 to be on the other side, I think. This might be a useless step. Let's do this for now. Wait, what? No, undo that. Hold up, undo that. What the hell happened there? We'll just brute force it for now. Yeah, we'll just brute force it. Okay, so auto vec1 is equal to right, and then if I is equal to j. Dude, I hate how this is all. Let's format it, bro. Alright. Continue. And then, if not, then auto vec2 is equal to intervals j. Okay, and then if. Did I do something wrong here? Did do something wrong. Cool. And then if, so then we gotta, so we'll say vec1 is A and B. So if vec1 0 is greater than or equal to vec2 is hella brute force. Ooh, we have to do an and statement actually. And vec 1. Oh shoot. Rec 1 is less than or equal to do n minus minus. Oh, we shouldn't do that. Is equal to 0. Oh. And then we do. This is to hella brute force it. And then return n minus subtract. Okay, so let's test it. Nice. Okay, so we should. I wonder if I get a TLE. Yeah, I got a TLE. Okay, never mind. I didn't get a TLE. I just got a ROM. I put 0. And why is it 0? Oh, I see. Ah, shit. I should have used that as a test case. I think I quit too early. Oh, it's accepted. Nice. Nice. Again, inefficient. I'm pretty sure you can sort it and make it better. Wait, is this the question I just did? Okay, cool. Yeah, sort solution. Ah, this is what I was thinking about, right descending, because we... Okay, that's cute. Because I was saying earlier that this should be on the right side. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not trying to brag to y'all. Damn. Yeah. Wait. Interesting. You don't... You don't need the comparator? Ideally, 2-4 is covered by 2-6, but in this code, 2-4 will be counted and 2-6 will be skipped. Oh, that's crazy. Be right back. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. That's wild. That's interesting. Hey, buddy. Let's see. fuck, bro? So solution one, what do you mean? Alright, this is what I wanted. Ah, cause they were talking about this one, right. And they don't have one. Alright. They don't have a solution in C++ for that one. Gotcha. Gotcha. Really optimized. And I don't know what the hell this is. Okay, let's move a bit forward on that then. Right. Okay. We'll go back to that one and see if I can remember anything. Okay, let's do 1286. Disgusting. Design the combination iterator. Okay, so you have some characters, some combination length. That looks disgusting. Initialize the object with a string characters of sorted, distinct. Okay, so there'll be like A, B, C. Okay, gotcha. Oh, because that's the let's see. That's the initial one. Okay. It turns the next combination length. Discussing string. I think programming in general is my weak point. Goddamn. I am mad annoyed. If only if there exists a next combination. Okay, so next. Right. So we have AB somehow too. Okay, because it's the length. That's okay. So yeah, we use the constructor. We say next, and the first combination is AV has next. Okay, it's just AC next. Oh wait, next is true. Has next is true. Next is AC. Has next is true. We next it. We have VC, but there's not another next, so that's why it's false. Gotcha. I'm not really sure how to do all that, but all right. So let's do chars. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And then int length is equal to, what's it? Length. And in here, we start, oh, it should be actually, and then we'll do, call it M length. Oh my god, yep. Right, nice. So should work. Oh, actually. Right. Okay, so let's see. We have a string next. So how do we? Okay. Oh snap! They really like to trick you, mate. Okay, so there's a lot of issues here, right? So all the characters of characters are unique. Okay. Basically, the characters of the string is unique, right? So let's just do, for simplicity's sake, just all this in order. And if we had, if it's 2, it's easy, right? But if the combination, all right, the combination length is where's that? So let's say it's 4, right? What the fuck? So how do we get all that, right? Because if we did like a next call, right? We're going to do A, B, C, D. Oop, what the fuck? And then if we did another next call, we do that thing. Looks a graphical order. Next one would be A, B, C, E, right? And the only way we're false is we only have the last digits, or like the last 4, right? So another way of, I guess, thinking about it. So we're here. We get the first 3, right? Oh wait. Oh no, we're good. Oh wait. Oh wait, yeah, we're good. We're good. We can kind of cheat this. I don't know if this is really cheating, but we have like we do the first 3. We have like a window of like the first 3, right? And then you have a pointer to the right of it, which is D, and then it keeps going. And once it gets to the end of like of this array, we slide the window to be. Let me do a visual. Yeah. So initially we have like the window to be like right here. And then we'll have like a pointer. That will eventually get to the end, right? Eventually get to the end. But then once it's done at the end, we slide the window, go here to do B, C, D, E. And then it'll do its thing again, B, C, D, F, B, C, D, G. And then if we do next again, and there's not one to go over, do this and this. Move it all the way back. That's my thought process. Yeah. Now, what should be the data structures for all that? What should be the data structures? That is the question. I'm not sure if I would solve this in time. Right. Let's see. I would like to make this a vector of chars. Right. And basically, it's not the cleanest solution since I don't work with strings and characters as much as I should. Cross char C and characters. Oh, characters. We'll just do let's do a simple pushback. Let's see. Oop. Oop. That's good. Cool. Right. So we have that now. And then we're gonna have int left is equal to 0. Int right. Well, we shouldn't really do definitions here. Yeah. Should be none of that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm right. And then it's iterator. I guess I should just call it MI for simplicity's sake. MI. Yeah. So we'll do m left is always equal to 0, that's for sure. M right is equal length minus 1. Yeah. And mi is equal to, oh wait, oh no, I'm length minus 1. And this was minus 2. Oh, we have an issue. We have an issue with my thought process right now. Let's think about it real quick. Hey, buddy. More specifically, let's say if it's just 1, right? Have left. Okay, let's Let's initialize everything to 0 for like an edge case. And then we can do things later. Yeah. Right. And then we can at least do this, right? So if if I'm right, like doesn't equal to m charge size -1. I guess we have to have the and in here, and oh, there's these like weird edge cases with my thought process, and also my homie's hungry, because like if we have L, we have R. What the? Undo that. R. And the pointer, right? Because I would like. Oh, we should look at the pointer then, right? We should look at the pointer instead, huh? This is... Oh, the pointer would make it -1. Or I guess we could have all these -1 for now. As like a signal value? Oops. Alright, so if okay, so this means we have a next, right? But this doesn't. Wait, hold up. Depends when we put this out. So it has next. Because essentially what we want to do is then after we initialize next to be LR, we want this guy to be like going over. And then if and only if we try to print the next one. Right. So let's say everything's -1 here. Yeah, I don't think I would have solved this in time. That's for sure. This is when we start doing this. Oh. And then we do an LR plus this character if oh well, it's 1, then you just okay, I'm gonna go feed my dog real quick. don't know if I can zoom in. Doesn't look like I can zoom in. Also, be right back. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Aw, come on, man. Oh no, my phone. Don't worry, Tofu. I will be shooting soon. But while I'm away, alright, be right back, guys. Alright, buddy. Guess what? Oh, you okay? Guess what, buddy? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, sir, King. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Are you hungry? Hungry? IT. Oop. Okay, so shit. This wasn't even up, man. Hilarious. Hilarious. Okay. I guess we don't need a left, huh? It's just a right. It's just a right with the previous 3 values. I'm still convinced that we still need this. So let's just say everything's established as -1. Right. And then hey buddy. Hey buddy. You okay, brother? Are you eating too fast? So, right. So the initial value of combination length should be m length -1, right, which is here. And then mi should be length. Right, yeah. Oh wait, hold up. Actually kinda know. Should be should still be -2. Which ends up being here, and then m length should be -1. Having like off by 1 errors in my head. Okay. So I think we can do it still, actually. So if we do, 2 and then mi is equal to chars. Yeah, so this should still work actually. Dot size, right? -1, aka the final index. It has to be both. It has to be both cases. So luckily we initialize at -1 first, but after that next we give it an A. And now, I mean, R just stays the same, and then that happens. And then there's no, yeah. If this is, then we return false. Actually, we just return false. Everything else we return true. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so if m right is equal to -1 and mi is equal to -1, then we start establishing shit, alright? Start establishing it. And we say m right is equal to, and okay, let's do this. It should be and, of course. Okay, and then we do a simple m right is equal to length -1 -2. Yeah, and then I is equal to m length -1. This will always be a fact. So yeah. So for this case, if it's 4, then we establish at 2. This one at 3. And continue on with our lives. First letter, or first chars. I guess we can just make, yeah. Yeah, we can just do m left is equal to 0, and that should be fine. So for left, I is less than equal to m right. I guess we just need left. That's fine. M left is, I guess we could have checked it with M left. I think about it. But anyway, I is equal to left. Equal to first chars. To be honest, we're just gonna, because I kind of want to save. If I don't know, if first charge size is 0, we do the following. Right. Yeah. Right. Oop. Sorry. So is it pushback? I guess it is pushback for strings as well. I think we can also do like plus equal. Okay, I got an idea. I'm charged size. Yeah, and then we do. Simply do yeah, I think that'll work. So if this is ever in the outbounds, then yeah. So that should mean we should do if mi. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah. So what should we be doing here? Okay, let's see. Because we have L here. So this is the initial one. So we have A, B, C, D, then E, then F, and then G. And then let's think about it, yeah. I feel like they're I guess ordering matters here. Ordering matters a lot. So in this case, we're at G. We just printed out A, B, C, G. Right. So let's pretend not even this yet. So we've already done the first chars. Bound, right? Bound. And then I guess we want this, you know, -1. And then we could do answer. So answer, right? And then we'll do if we'll do it. We'll do everything. So if mi is less than mchars dot size. So we gotta figure out that condition in a second. Then we simply do answer is equal to first chars plus definitely get my ass kicked right now. Let's get some water. And now we gotta do some stuff, right? So then we gotta do mi plus, right? Ah, yes, this is the case then. If so, okay. If we're here, so this is the initial value, right? So we go through here, pretend this isn't here. We got the first chars, we have answer. Let's also return answer. Okay, and then we just did that. And then we'll do it again. Do that, do it again, do that. So if, now if mi is equal to, oh shit. Okay, yeah. So what I would like to do, oh shit. It never gets to this point. So we need a different check then. We're good. This is gonna get complicated. And it's last. Last, right? I don't know how my brain works sometimes, bro. Doesn't equal to m, right? So if it gets to the end, oh my god, undo. If it gets to the damn. Then we do M left, plus, M right, plus, which this actually might mess up this case. And then we do it might actually mess up the shit. Fucking hell. Well, we'll see what happens. Okay, we're gonna just do lead test and see how it goes. Nice. It's only been an hour 42. I'm getting my ass kicked. Yes. And then we have another shoe, right? Oops, I see. Right. I think we're chill with all the compiler stuff. Yeah, it sounds about right. Sounds about right, guys. So I have some good news and I have some bad news. Good news. I am outputting the right values. That's something. That is something. The bad news is we gotta figure out what the hell. So that's some pretty good news, guys. That's some pretty good news. I'll do a little simply a M left. And then a simple space, I'm right. And a simple we don't want any ugly results, so let's do all that. And then we'll do a lead test. So return false in this case for some reason. This is gonna fail at cases, I can tell. True. Why the hell there's return trues of those? Okay, so 0 and 2 somehow. Return to false. Mess up there. Fucking helmet. I think that is the case. So we want, what do we want here? What do we want here, guys? We want M left. That's true, actually. Okay, so we want MI to be, we want I cheated! Off by 1 errors! Off by 1 errors. Slash, I'm not even sure this is gonna work, to be honest. We're gonna find out together if this behaves the way that we want it to behave. Okay? On the 4th test. On the 4th one. Let's use it. CHP. And it's 1. Okay. So has next. We did that. True. Next. C. Nice. True. True. Wait, what? Has next. Oh, they did it twice. That's why. Has next times next. Gotcha. That's a funny one. Okay, then next. And then all of a sudden it says. Still says true. So let's see. Let's see what we're cooking here, guys. Things. Oh no. Undo. What did you do, boy? Okay, so let's do a simple elite test. Right? Elite test. Let's see what we cooking over here. How's M right? M right 0. And how did M left get? How did it go from 0 to -1? It's a little weird. A little weird, isn't it? This makes sense because everything's there. This is what gets established. And we only... So it should be... Ah, okay, I see what happened now. I see what happened. Shouldn't this be... Because we did this once, bam, right? Shouldn't this be... Interesting. So it ends up being 0. Not really sure. Then we're gonna do an OR. I'm left. Cause in this case, so this is what, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, size 7 minus 4, yeah, minus don't code like me. That's 3 minus 1, so it still didn't really matter. For some reason, I still don't understand why m right is 0. Why is m right 0? It should be 1. Actually, why? Actually, wait, yeah, hold up. Bring me that page. It should be 1 and then the other one's 2, right? Yeah, that makes sense. But that's what? Is that the issue? Something's going on here, which I don't know what it is. All right. I think I'm gonna call it quits on this one. It's only a 1600 basically. Getting my ass kicked, boy. Only did 2 questions. So many submissions, only one submission. Reverse combine plus bit. We're not doing no bit manipulation, boy. Oh my god. A one-line solution. Alright, right, we'll look at it. What the fuck am I looking at here? Can I downvote this bitch? How do I downvote? Some of these things should not see the light of day. Is it really a bit manipulation shit? Yeah, it should be combination shit, alright? Okay, how about this? We'll do a different. We do Leetcode contest 16. Make me feel a little bit better about myself, right? Is this? Please tell me it's not a paywall, right? Nice, $12.99. I'll continue on. Just not with that question. Goddamn. $12.99, eh? Okay. Given an array. Replace every element in that array with the greatest element among the elements to its right, and replace that last element with -1. Oh, okay. Okay, so the greatest element to the right of 0. Ah, okay. Okay, so it's it looks like we have to iterate backwards while keeping the max number. So what are the values? So yeah, int max val is equal to 0. Yeah, I guess -1. Yeah. So for int I guess we want a different array, right? Int oh shoot, hold up. Okay, so we're gonna make it array.size. I'll just do zeros. We can do -1s. Doesn't matter to me. So int I is going to so so n-1 I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus, and then we simply do we do answer of I is equal to max val. Yeah, and then we do Simply just do max val is equal to std max of max val and array I. And I think that should work. Ooh. Did I mess up somewhere? Oh, nice. Did not mess up. Okay. Cool. Yay. Let's put this real quick. Let's write it to get a little formatting in. Lead submit. I think that makes sense. I think that's the right answer. It's an O-event solution. Nice. I finished that in like 5 minutes. I struggled with the other question. I couldn't even solve it. I would have got destroyed by that Leetcode contest. So with that in mind, we have successfully done 3. Okay, cool. Alright. It seems like the next one is 1300. If it keeps going in order, oh, never mind. Ah, this one's 1300. Oh, interesting enough, Q3 is easier than Q2. What was the last way it was done? Oop, that's not what I wanted. Oh, interesting. Oh, but I don't know why. Oh well. I guess I could make this. Let's see. Let's look at this question first, because that's about the same type of problem as I did before. But let's get my ass beat, boy. It was not good. Given an integer, given an integer array, target value target, return the integer value such that when we change all the integers in the given array to be equal to. What the fuck is this saying, bro? Oh, okay. I'm not understanding this. Okay, so number from the array is not okay. Given an integer array and a target value target, return the integer value such that when we change all the integers. Ah, okay. I think I've seen this question. Have I attempted this question? Okay. Maybe I've seen something kind of similar then. Okay. I see the point now. This is I see the difficulty. So basically any value above 3 will be changed to 3. That's closest. And for this one, anything above 5 would change to 5, which is nothing, which makes it 10. And anything greater than this value would be changed to 11,361, which is probably like a fifth of that or something. I don't really know. Which is all the values. So yeah, I'm not sure the solution per se. One thing I would do is sort it out at first. That seems like one of the most logical cases to do. We'll attempt it. We'll attempt it. We'll attempt it. We'll attempt it. Okay, so what does that give us? We have an ordered value, right? So we want to do int n is equal to array.size. So we have this size, right? Right. And then we have like I don't know, optimal like val could be just like target divided by n, right? And I can at least solve the last case, right? Actually, I could probably solve the first and last case easily, right? So we'll just do this first. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than n. I mean, I guess it could be just right here. Oh my god. If array greater than or equal to optimal val, return n. Yeah. Oh no, not return n, return optimal val. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, and then we can just return optimal val anyway. For like a first run through. Dry run? I mean dry run. Not dry run at all. Oh, we're gonna do tests. Right. Oh, interesting. Oop. Off by one error, guys. I guess we can round. We should round. Be right back. Well, let me do this. All right. Right. So this floors it no matter what. We should. Yeah, we should do like yeah. Hold on. This is gonna be looking hella ugly. Give me a minute. then, hold up. What? Oh shoot. Ah shoot. Let me. Yeah, this is what I really wanted to do right here. We'll do like around, right? Yep. Okay. Anyway, and then with that. and then with that, let's do this. And then with that, right? Oh wait, we implicitly give it to an integer. We implicitly do it. We won't explicitly do it, right? So with that. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom, easy, easy, easy. Now we gotta figure out the normal edge case, right? This one. So right. I'm not sure how I should do this. I don't know the actual solution to this. So like you do some like you have to do like a first pass through and a second pass through. It seems to find like the total sum. And probably the average amongst that. And do something. I don't know how to select the actual number. Yeah, this one's hard. I can definitely do the edge cases, because those are edge cases. I'm not totally sure. Let me write it. I'm not totally sure on the actual implementation in itself. So we sorted it out, right? It's beautiful, right? We 349. Because what happens if we get like 2, 3, 5, 7, and then the goal is 10, right? total sum in this regard 12, 15, 14, right? It's 14. How do I? Cause the answer is 3, right? Like the answer is 3. But that's not like how do you come up with that? Because we want the, I think it's 2 3 3 3. Because this gets you 11. Just do 11, right? And 2 2 2 is 8, or 2 2 2 2 8. Whatever, 4 2s. Okay, so let's quit this real quick. Well, let me do this, and then we'll do what's the deepest leaf zones. Oh, okay. Oh, I would like to look at that image. Okay, so given the root of a binary tree, oh, this is interesting. Is this old school Leetcode giving you these type of images? Okay. Return the sum of the values of its deepest leaves. So 7 5. Ah, okay. Ah. So you only want 7 and 8 in this case, right? And this one, oh shit, bro. I don't. You gotta give me an image, bro. Give me an image. Okay, so 5 4. Right. 19. Okay. So the simplest way I would do this would be BFS. That would be the simplest way I would do it. And then whatever's the last solution, then just do that. So let's just do BFS. And I forgot how to do it, to be honest. But int answer 0. Return answer. So we'll at least get one answer, or one node. Okay, so int. So then I actually forgot how to do BFS. So we have a queue of tree nodes. Queue nodes. And then we'll do a queue nodes dot push root. And then while queue nodes is not empty, we simply do stuff. We'll do int queue size is equal to queue nodes dot size for int I is equal to 0, I less than queue size, I plus. And then we'll do int. Actually, no. We'll do an auto. tree node, current node is equal to Q nodes front, Q nodes dot pop. Yeah, I think that's how queues work, because min heaps, max heaps, or priority queues have top, I think, and stacks have tops. Yeah. Anyway, while this is happening, oh yeah, int new answer 0. Right. We just simply do this. New answer plus equal to cur node val. Yeah. And then if to the left is not equal to null pointer, simply Q nodes dot push cur node to the left, and then if do a couple of these. And then, yeah. Then we just simply, I don't even know where I'm at right now. And then we simply do answer is equal to new answer. Let's test it. I think it should work. Yeah, I think BFS is the simplest way. I don't know about, it's kind of hard with DFS, but you have to like keep track of the levels. That's it's not as intuitive. No. Granted, I haven't gotten this completely right yet. Yeah, so I've gotten it right, which is nice. Someone probably did a better solution in DFS. Oh yeah, they did level traversal, which is just basically BFS, right? And we go through all the nodes. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I have no idea. Oh, they just this is I hate this, bro. I wouldn't have caught this. I would have thought you would just keep doing that, but they re-established result to equal to 0, which I find I'm not the biggest fan of doing two things at once. Hey, what's up, Dirty Gremlin? Long time no see, buddy. My boy Peter. I'm pretty sure this is the Peter I'm thinking of. Peter from Australia. But then again, I do have bad memory. Oh, you haven't finished school yet? Damn, boy. I thought you would have been on summer vacation by now. But I don't know like international school schedules like that. But like it's It's your, I don't know how. We got summer vacation end of year, which like end of year being like December or end of year, because our summer time is for university students would be like middle of May. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh, so wait, what are your? Because I do know that like other parts of the world has different times for their seasons. Like what are you? Yeah. Oh, interesting. Is it summer over there during those times, like November to February? And is your fall like February to May? Oh wow. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's crazy, bro. It's not crazy, but it's something that I'm not particularly used to. Cadane's algorithm. What do you mean Cadane's algorithm, bro? I guess it's Cadane's actually, now that I think about it, but yeah, it's hella summer right now for me. Right now, we're only in the 90s. I live in Texas. We're only, I say only in the 90s, but it's probably gonna get to the hundreds soon. Yeah, pretty soon. I think we actually hit hundreds in the hundreds like a couple weeks ago, but then it died down, and then all of a sudden we got hail. All of a sudden we got hail. So also I saw 4. Let's go. And I'm not sure how to do this one per se. Yeah, sort of vectors of vectors. Yeah. Texas do be getting hot. And like some people say it's not that humid, but there's sometimes where I'm getting like 80% humidity and it's 95. I'm like, bro, our whole bodies aren't liking this. But anyway, it's not a huge deal. Well, there's a reason why it's so hot here. I think one of the reasons is we don't plant enough wildlife. We live in a very car-centric environment, which basically means there's a lot of concrete. But those are just political things. 1313. Gotcha. So let's quit. 1313. Actually, I didn't even look. I haven't been looking at the last questions because I keep getting stumped on the third one. But we should look at some of these questions. So for this one, 1289. Yeah. Let's look at 1289. I should be doing that. I shouldn't just skip them. I skip them once I start failing a lot. I need images then. By the way, how have you been, Peter? My guy. Oh, I've done this one. Oh no, I haven't. I lied to you. I thought I did this one. This looks like something I've done. Wait, let's see if I've done the first one. Where, not topics. Maybe I've done this one. Yes, I've done this one. This is the one that I've done. Okay, so what's up, buddy? Do you need any help? I fed you. Do you need attention? What do you need, buddy? Do you want to go pee? You want to go pee? Okay, my homie wants to go pee, so I'm gonna let him out to go pee. I'll be right back. Alright, let's go pee, buddy. Let's go pee. I've been juked. I was juked. Motherfucker. Excuse my language. He didn't even go pee. He just walked out. Let's see. Since I've done this one, and I think I did a good job of doing the DP. Let's see. With non-zero shifts. Oh, okay. That doesn't sound too bad. Sounds like very similar. Then again, I haven't done it yet. Because the only difference is you could select the one underneath. But isn't the other one? Oh no, this one's just the summation. Oh man, I'm struggling. I struggle. It's just like a banana. Just peel it out. Oh, okay. And we want the minimum? Oh yeah, minimum. Okay. Okay. I can do this one, I think. Excuse me. I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. Okay. Oddly enough, I think I can do this one. I can't do... What was the other question? This one was tough for me. I was struggling. I say it like I've passed it, but I haven't really passed it. We can do this. So int n. Oh, n by n. Oh, nice. We don't have to do much after that. Okay. It's weird. There's some questions that I can just automatically get. There's some others I'm like, oh man, that's a tough one. That's a tough one, eh? Well, one question. Okay. Just the one above it. And it don't have to be like if this 5 and 6 were reversed, it would have been, you know. Right. It was still selected that value. It would have still done 157. Make 13, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Right. So DP is equal to, and this is the constructor, do size n, size n and zeros, and then 4 int I equals 0, I is to n, I plus. We just simply do dp 0 I, because we're gonna go from top down. I think that's fine. Is equal to grid I. Oh, grid 0 I. Yeah. So, and I honestly think we could probably just make it equal to grid, but I'm gonna hold off on that. So now we do the for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and then again for int j is equal to 0, j less than n j plus plus. Right. So for this case, we're gonna I lied. Probably call it row. This one column. We start on the first row. Ooh, ooh. And then by the end of it, we return the dereference stood max element of dp of n minus 1 begin at dp n minus 1. I think that should work. So let's see. So for the first one, it should return 0 since there's nothing there. And then for the second one, it should return 7. Oh, unless I fuck up. Where did I fuck up? Ah. Makes sense, makes sense. So now, without error, time. Ah! Again. How do I go even further? I don't really know. Oh. Oh, that's not the one. Undo. This is the one. This one's call. Oh, insert call. Ah, yes. And then we have to do this one too. That makes sense. So this one, it's the same thing. It's the same as the other one. The only one you don't consider is whatever index you're in. Oh shoot. Never mind, this is hard. Oh, kind of. You just need one pass through to find a min element and a second min element. And then you do it again. You do a second pass through. just need to do that. Okay. All the values can be negative 90. Oh, interesting. We'll do it's kind of ugly. I'm not the proudest. Oh, we can do better here. Okay. We'll do a pair of ints. This would be min val. Or would you? No, we'll call it min val because there's a function called min. Yeah. Which is just going to equal to -1 and -1. Right. We'll do another one. Just a pair. I forgot how I did the other one. Now I think about it. Second min val. Which is -1, -1. Right? Yeah. Right. And then if snap we want this to be actually make it 100. One reason why I'm picking the number 100 is because we're expecting it's n. Oh, that's the size. The values within the grid to be up to 99. Right. So if if min value is greater than or equal to greater than equal to grid 0i, then we say second. Oh, we want yeah. I mean, yeah, second. Then we make sec min value dot first equal to then we do second min value dot second. And then we'll make min val equal to I and grid 0 I. Actually, what am I doing, bro? Just do is equal to min val. Yeah. And then I guess we just continue after that. Or actually we could just do like an else if. It doesn't have to. Else if whatever. Grid. We'll do second min val is equal to I. Oh, snapper! Oh no, we're good. We're good. We only need 2 values. I thought about it. So what if it's just like 1, 1, 2? We just select the other one. Yeah. No, we're good. Oops. Insert grid 0. Yes. Okay. So in this case now, we can only do one pass through. We do the similar regard. So DP. Oh wait, we don't want to edit while we're doing it, huh? Because ideally, what we want to do here would be like DP of row column is equal to grid row call. No, m is equal to column equal to column equal to first index question mark, and if it does, then you do second min value. Yeah, if not, we do min value. Ideally, we want to do this and then update it if need be, but we don't want to update with the same row because that would be bad. Huh. Yeah, we should do 2 pass-throughs. I don't know. There might be a better way to do like only 1 pass-through for each row, but it's just a 2n solution. There's a 2mn or 2n squared solution. Instead of a n squared solution, it's just double it. I think that's okay. Nice. ideal, but we're working with small numbers. Right. So we can probably do the same thing then. So let's do 4 and call is equal to 0, call is less than n. Plus, do the following, right? Right, and then we just simply paste it. Yeah. Undo. Let's go up. I'll do a V. J. This X. And simply paste it in here. But the difference is, we'll do row minus 1. If we want above it. And then same with row minus 1 here. Row minus 1. And then row minus 1. That's right. Should be fine. Oh, no, we're not fine. We need the eyes. Let's do... I don't know how to replace exactly. I don't know. Insert column. Ah, shit. Do that. Yeah, I don't know how to. How do you do the? I don't know how to do the like next one after like F. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it old school then. Oh, you do F. Oh, yes. That's how you do it. Actually. Ah, yes. And then cap F to go backwards. Ah, yes. And then you just simply do... Dude, this is great. I feel like a wizard. Yo, wizard Harry. Oh. Undo that. Oh, undo that. Second. Oh. Oh no, I definitely did it. It's just okay, so I think this might work. Now I'm looking at it. Oh, let's go. It works. I don't have a lot of chips left. Actually, I have no chips left. It's just crumbs. It's not crumbs, but leftovers. Let's see if I can solve it. Let's see if it works. I don't think I'll get a TLE. I don't know the better way, because this is 2 pass. Oh no, I got it wrong. Never mind. Ah! I think I see the problem here. This is what my mind was going towards. Kind of afraid. Actually, I don't know why. Yeah, I actually don't know why I gave that answer. I can see it wants like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. What was that? 1, 2, 1. Yeah, it's 4 and 3. Why'd you do that? Oh, don't quit. Don't quit. Just go here. Yeah. Okay, so I spoke too soon. It must be how I did this, huh? Okay, so if this is the case, let's, oh yeah, let's do a lead test. Right, so it is 1, 2, that makes sense. And then 4, 5, and I guess we don't get to 7, 8, that makes sense. No what there, so. Okay. And somehow we got to, again, how did we get to 3? Oh, what the hell? Oh. Oh my god, that I got scared. I got scared. Okay, we might have to print them all, which I don't want to. I kind of don't want to print them all. I wonder if this is biting my ass right now. There's no way this is the reason why it's biting my ass. Yeah, I might have to print it all. Okay, let's. I don't want to quit again. So. Oh, I'm stupid. It's not grid row column. Oh wait. Ah! I see. I don't know how I got the right answer on the other one then. It's supposed to be DP. Oh wait. Yeah, it's DP. Oh wait. Yeah, we want to do the DP. The only problem with that now is this guy. Yoink. Ah yeah, undo. And paste that bitch. Okay. I'd have pasted too much. I don't know how the second one worked then. Ah, nice. I got 8. 8, you say? Dude, that makes sense. I don't think that changes anything. Okay, it doesn't. What the fuck? What was the problem here? How did we get to 15? What? Fine. Undo. They look ugly. Right. So this should be 667 because this is 1 and 2. 1 and 5 gives you 6. 2 and 4 gives you 6. And the best thing you can do is 1 and 6. Makes sense to me. That would make sense. It would make sense why I'm getting wrong answers. Yeah, that makes sense. So 3, 3, 3, 3. For the second row, yeah, that makes sense. And then yeah, we get to 4 here, 6, and down. Alright. Cool. Oh. Nope, don't quit again, guys. Let's do any other print segments that we have? I don't know if I would finish this in like the time constraints. Let's now submit. Oh, let's go! Let's go! We did it, guys. Memory could be a little bit better its ass. We did it. We did it! What type of question was that? It was like 1600 still? Ah, about 1700, let's go! It's a DP problem. It's kind of an obvious DP problem. But, we did it, guys! Just took a couple seconds. No, iterative DP, interesting. Let's see, how did they do it? Yeah, same thing as me here. I don't know what they're doing here. So this is the 2D array, then they do it again. Oh, interesting. So it's they do it every time. Oh, interesting. They do it for each. They didn't do a 2-pass like me. Oh yeah. Did they do a better one? Oh yeah. So it's an n-cube solution. And we're gonna, yeah. What if they did a 2-pass like me? What the fuck? What am I looking at here? All right, brother. I have no idea what I'm looking at here. What is nth element? Is this a... Interesting. Oh! Thanks for the follow, Methlin. How's your day been? Oh, interesting. This is a cool one. That makes my life easier. Satisfy. So the fifth level should be sorted. Ah. Interesting. Wait, so they just... Huh. Is that really an n-squared solution? Hmm. Oh, nice! Nice. DP is dynamic programming. Yeah, I'm still learning myself. Still noob. I'm still noob. Like still trying to figure it out myself. But welcome. Oh, that means I did 5. I saw 5 today, and one of them was hard. I consider it hard. What did you learn so far today? I'm glad that you're trying to learn data structures and algorithms formally. Me too. I'm trying my best. Well, I don't know if I still don't know if I've done it formally yet, but as formal as I want to be. Anyway, let's quit. Yeah. Okay. Let's do 16. Was this one that I just couldn't do? Ah, yes. I didn't know how to do this. And then, what is this one? Number of paths with max score. Have I done this? No. Cool. Okay, so it looks like I don't need any images. Oh, nice. I just did breadth first search. Do you want me to do another BFS question for you? But yeah, DP or dynamic programming, all it is, to simplify it a lot, aka I don't know what I'm talking about, is if your solution requires a solved solution previously, and then you and it has this repeating pattern of previous solutions, and you can build on top of it. Use something called dynamic programming. So you use the saved answer from a previous algorithm. Yeah. It's really... I have yet to touch it that well. Okay, you're given a square board of characters. You can move on the board, starting with... Oh, so it's always on the bottom right. You reach to the top left with a marker with character E. The rest of the squares are labeled either with numeric characters 1, 2, 9, or an X. In one move, you can go up, left. Oh, okay, so you can only go these directions. Oh, that's a hard one, eh? So this is a combination of Dijkstra's and something else. Actually, it's not even like a minimum path. So I don't know how to do this one. So I am going to leave it for when I'm better in life. Do you want to do some tree questions together? I'll be down. I haven't done trees in a while. Ooh. Ooh. And then, what was it, 13? What was it? Okay. So decompress, run length, encoded list. I have no idea what that means. We're given list nums of integers representing a list compressed with run length encoding. What? I read words, but I didn't comprehend it. Oh, you'd be down to watch me attempt some like tree questions? Is that what you're referring to? I'll do some tree questions. I really suck. I can show you which one I did like an hour ago. I don't know. Consider each adjacent pair of elements. Okay. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. This isn't too bad. So int n is equal to nums. Size. After this question, I'll do some tree questions. Not saying that I will solve any of them, but I will look at them. So this one's not too bad. We should... we're guaranteed that this will be an even number right here. So if it's 4, we only go up to 2. So yeah. Yeah. So for int I is equal to 0, because that's a very important detail, I less than n divided by 2, because we only need to go halfway. That's plus. Oh yes, and then we can. Oh yeah, what programming language do you program in? I program currently Rust, C++, and Python. Asterisk on the Rust and asterisk on the Python. I have to look things up in those languages. Alright, answer. Okay, and then we can do int freak is equal to nums 2 times I. Simply for int I is equal to 0, I less than frequency. Oh, we shouldn't do that. We should do j++. J. Yeah. Oh, oh, you're a data engineer. Nice. Congrats on the position. I've been thinking about going to data engineering, data analytics, and things like that. Haven't learned too much about the back end to be good enough for that. Want to learn something? I know enough Java to be dangerous. Yeah, we know enough to be dangerous in English. I think everyone knows enough C++ to be dangerous, and the danger is to themselves. But I don't know Java at all. I took a course back in high school, but this is when I found out I didn't want to be a software engineer. And then life comes at you at a full circle, and then I like to do software now. But I would like to think it had to do with a lot of factors in my life on the reasoning why I didn't want to be a software engineer. But anyway. Oh yeah. Okay, and then int num is equal to nums 2 times I plus 1. And then we just simply do answer, pushback. No. Yeah. And then we just return answer. I think that's right. Ah, nice. Let's go! We did it, boys! Okay, we can do some graph stuff. Trees? Okay. We can do graph or trees. The question... Oh, which question was it? Oh, this looks like a... Oops. I didn't mean to do that. This looks like a... It could be a... Oh, this is a tree problem! This is a tree problem. We can try to do this one. I was like, I see grandparents. That could be tree. Oh, interesting. This is the third question. My dog is missing her mother. Okay. Oh, this could be a graph problem. A lie. No. I have no idea what this is telling me. Ah, I see. Okay. You have to do like some sliding window, like a 2D sliding window thing. And I think that would help. That's me guessing. I don't know. Take it with a grain of salt. Okay, so let's look at this question. So given a binary tree, return sum of values of nodes with an even valued grandparent. Okay. This looks like an interesting question to do. So essentially, we have to first figure out where the even values are. Yeah, so I want to do a BFS, but the issue is once we get to these subtrees, we have to do DFS. There might be a BFS way, but to know that these aren't with this guy, that's it's kind of hard to do in BFS. Oh, I did 6. I forgot. I did 6. Actually, I might quit soon. Methlin, you still there? If not, I might peace out. I'm getting kind of tired. 3.5 hours of streaming. It's a tough day in the office, mate. Should probably clean up and stuff. Also, I gotta walk. My dog just looked at me. No. Stop looking at me, bro. Tofu, sit. Stop looking at me. Okay, I'm going to... Yeah. Down. Okay. I'll attempt this one. I need a WALK. The reason why I'm spelling this out is because my dog's looking at me. He's staring at me. Because I actually don't know how to do this one. It's an interesting problem. It's also very difficult. Yeah, he knows that and Cantonese word that means WALK. Yeah, he's just staring at me now. He was chilling before, but right when I said that word, he was just staring at me with them puppy eyes, bro. What's up, buddy? You wanna say hi to people? Come here. Come here, buddy. Say hi. Say hi to the world. His name's Tofu. Tofu. I think I disappointed him, to be honest. Buddy. So let's see. How do you solve this? Because I'm trying to think of a... I want to do an O of N solution. O of N being all the number of nodes. Oh yeah, he is a cutie. You should see him whenever we get home. After like an hour or longer than an hour, or even, to be honest, 10 minutes. He gets excited. He gets hella excited. He starts running around, everything. Starts jumping on things. He's really energetic. He's really athletic. You might not think it since he's a small dog, but like he's athletic. He runs faster, as fast, or even faster than like a lot of big dogs. What's up, buddy? What's up, Tofu? Tofu! You just gonna sniff me, bro? You just gonna sniff me? Huh? Now you doing it. Alright, buddy. Let's see. Because I could cheat, right? Alright, it's not really cheating. but it would be very bad, I'll say. Because we want it like a n log n solution or an n solution, because the number of nodes is this. Because how do I determine... I don't know. You do something after that. I just don't know what. Oh, I'm coding on the wrong editor. Interesting. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna... I think I'm gonna take a break. Might come on later, might not. I've been working on my like projects by myself. We'll see. I think I did a good job. Six solved. One of them was hard. 2 or 3 were medium. And 2 or 3 are easy, whichever one. I think that's a good day. I'm gonna call it quits. I need to think about that. This one I don't know. I don't know how to do it efficiently. Because I could cheat and just keep going down for each even number, but then if they're all even, it gets really ugly. It gets super ugly. Yeah. Anyway, I hope everyone has a good day. Peace out, Girl Scouts.